So good morning everyone. Again I'm repeating sir. So we were discussing a concept of what is a condition and warranties. So what I said sir, ki as a buyer, as a seller, you enter into some contract and this contract is with respect to contract of sale of goods. So seller is willing to provide the goods, buyer is willing to pay for that. There is a contract and this contract is contract of sale of goods. So this is a contract for sale of goods. Okay. Now what I was trying to tell you, sir, whenever we enter into contract, sir, do you think it is possible that we may have some agreement with respect to some terms and conditions? Do you think we may have some agreement with respect to terms and conditions? Okay. Chaliye sir, let us try to understand. Imagine what we are buying today is air conditioner. What we are buying today is air conditioner, sir. Tell me sir, मतलब just एक random आप अपने आप से बोलो sir, what could be the terms and conditions you may have sir? क्या हो सकता है sir? What terms and conditions you may have? And by the way sir, these terms and conditions को we call as what sir? Stipulations. So if you remember last class में we have used this word multiple times. देखो इधर stipulations. And here also stipulations. So these terms and conditions are called stipulations. So now I was asking you people, sir, कि boss जरा बोल दो, you please tell me some random examples, sir. थोड़े examples दे दो मेरे को. Some terms and conditions का you give me some examples, sir. कि what are those some agreed terms and conditions? You please tell me. बोलो ना एक 4-5 points you tell me. You are buying AC, sir. So yeah, so there could be first understanding with respect to price. Okay, next, delivery goods in such times or okay, so time period for delivery. Okay, next, और क्या हो सकता है sir? What else it could be? Installation, very good. Installation. Can I say maybe brand name also, sir? No, ACs can be of AC can be of many companies, no? So maybe you may have some understanding with respect to brand name. Maybe I wanted Mitsubishi. Maybe I wanted Lloyd ka AC. So can I say that could be also one understanding, sir? So brand name. Ki which brand ka AC you are willing to buy, sir? Okay. Next, maybe with respect to tons of AC, sir. What a ton it is? 1 ton, 1.5 ton. Do you think that is also possible? Yes. So can I say how much capacity it will be? Sir, warranty के बारे में we may talk about, and we may also talk about what is the material which is used in using this AC. Nowadays they say copper wire के साथ they are being prepared. Some they say sir inverter के साथ होना या without inverter वाला होना है ना. They say if without inverter you want, then inbuilt inverter will be there. That is called inverter AC. And again, did you understand? Like this, can I say like this, you may enter into n number of points, sir. Agreed? ये सारे क्या है? All these are what? All these are agreed terms and conditions. All these are agreed terms and conditions for a particular contract of sale. All these are agreed terms and conditions. Smart control करते. Very good, sir. So all these are agreed terms and conditions for contract of sale. Agree? Yes or no, sir? No. सर इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं सर? स्टिपुलेशंस. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं सर? स्टिपुलेशंस. Now what can happen, sir? Some stipulations are very very important. मतलब these are most important stipulations. See, first I am telling you in my language, sir, then I'll compare this with local language, sir. So there are some stipulations which are very very important. Others are not that important. Not that important. Important है but not that important, sir. इतना important नहीं है, sir. Now, in the eyes of law, sir, those things, those stipulations which are very very important, sir, must be performed. Sir, उनको हम बोलते हैं conditions. उनको हम बोलते क्या sir? Conditions. These are called conditions. And those are not that important. Yes, they are important, but not that important. Those are called what, sir? Warranties. Can I say one of the ninth point, one of the thing which you can write is what, sir? Auto charges. Correct, na? From his shop to our house, AC will come, sir. So auto charges is also one of the terms and conditions. Auto charges are also one of the terms and conditions. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Now, sir, when I say they are very important, इसका मतलब क्या? What do you mean by very important? मतलब what is my assumption, sir? इसका मतलब seller should satisfy all these. Seller should satisfy all these. वरना क्या हो जाएगा सर? Else what will happen? Else what is happen? Buyer के पास एक ऑप्शन आ जाएगा. What option, sir? He can repudiate, that is cancel the contract. And imagine if he repudiates the contract, sir. So can I say goods will be returned and price will be refunded? Goods refund, price refund. Goods returned, price refund. So can I say this is what I can call as a remedy which is available to whom, sir? Buyer. This is a remedy which is available to whom, sir? Buyer. Do you agree with this point, sir? Boys and girls. बोलो भैया. Okay. Now, sir, warranty. I said, did I say they are not important only? Did I say they are not important only? So, as a situation में, if seller fails, what remedy buyer can have, sir? If seller fails, what remedy buyer can have? Do you think buyer can repudiate the contract? Do you think a buyer can repudiate the contract, sir? No. Sir, max to max, what he can claim is for damages. Max to max, he will claim is what, sir? Damages. तो इसका मतलब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अभी भी वैलिड रहेगा. Sir, breach of condition में तो you have said contract will repudiate, but do you think here contract is still valid if at all there is a breach? Okay, so let's conclude like this, sir. Breach of, अगर breach of condition हो या breach of warranty हो, अगर breach of condition हो तो इसका मतलब contract will be repudiated. Repudiated मतलब it will be now cancelled. But here contract will not be repudiated. Not be repudiated. And can I say what is the remedy you are giving to buyer, sir? Remedy. Buyer को क्या remedy मिलेगा, sir? Sir, he has a remedy for return of goods. But here he can claim only damages. कुछ समझ में आया बच्चा? Did you understand? अब मैं ना एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन आई एम आस्किंग यू सर, very very important question I am asking you, sir. Sir, tell me, sir, as a buyer, sir, he is getting some remedy. He is getting some remedy, sir, which is a bigger remedy, which is more bigger remedy, which is more bigger remedy to him, sir. मतलब किधर उसको अच्छा न्याय मिल रहा है सर, वेयर ही इज गेटिंग बेटर रेमेडी, बिगर बोलो, बेटर रेमेडी बोलो सर, where he is getting more rights. You can also use a word where he is getting more rights. Sir, obviously in breach of condition, breach of condition में he is getting more rights, or breach of warranty में he is getting more rights. Obviously in breach of condition he is getting more rights rather than in breach of warranty, sir. Agreed? Because now he is able to return the goods also. He is able to return the goods also. So please ma note down till this extent and then we will discuss further, sir. Once it is over, please give thumbs up so that I can start further, sir. Okay. Now, sir, Abhi, I hope everything is okay. Very good, Nikita. So now, a question I am asking you, sir. So समझकर बोलना. Okay, and answer that question keeping this part in mind, sir. Sir, question ये है, can condition be treated as warranty. Can condition be treated as warranty? क्या मैं ब्रीच ऑफ कंडीशन को ब्रीच ऑफ वारंटी जैसा ट्रीट कर सकता हूं? और मोर बेटर, कैन आई ट्रीट ब्रीच ऑफ कंडीशन to breach of warranty? Can I treat like this? Is this possible? Because I know this point, breach of condition may, as a buyer I am having right to return, but breach of warranty may, I have no right to return, but I have right to claim damages. So can I, instead of returning the goods, satisfy myself by claiming damages? Example, sir, say for example, when I said I want Daikin ka AC, do you think this is a very important stipulation, or it is not that important stipulation? Matlab, for the purchase of good, was it very important for me, or it was not that important, sir? Brand name, is it super important for me, sir, or it was okay, matlab not that important, sir? Very important, sir. Can I say, when I said a particular brand, I want goods in that brand only, है ना? How can you give me some other brand? Agreed? बोलो बच्चा. Yes, sir. Installation next day, he said he will do, sir. Imagine next day अगर नहीं किया, do you think it is that much impacting, sir? अगर next day installation नहीं किया, do you think it will impact that much? No. Auto charges agreed was 200. Now he is asking for 250, sir. Do you think इतना impact करेगा वो? बोलो बच्चा, auto charges extra 50 is asking. Do you think? So what I am trying to tell you, yes, all these were your terms and conditions. All these were terms and conditions. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ सर? अगर tomorrow instead of Daikin he sends me LG का AC, sir, what is the remedy I have? If he sends me LG ka AC, I will treat this as breach of condition. I will treat this as breach of condition, sir. है ना? And what I will be doing, sir? I will be repudiating the contract, receive back my money, and give the goods. Agreed? बोलो. अगर auto charges extra 50 I pay, what is it I will do, sir? Return the AC only, yeah? ऑटो चार्जेस एक्स्ट्रा 50 पूछा है, एसी रिटर्न कर देता मैं. मैक्स टू मैक्स आई मे आस्क द शॉपकीपर, लाओ भाई हमारे 50 एक्स्ट्रा लाओ, योर ऑटो वाला is unnecessary asking 50 extra. Don't you think that is what the simple thing is? Sir, now my point is this, sir. Imagine, sir, temperature एकदम मई का मंथ है, टेम्परेचर इज सुपर हाई, सर. 50 degrees temperature it was going on, sir. AC's का demand was very high, sir, but one of the shopkeeper, he said, okay sir or madam, I will provide you Daikin का AC by tomorrow, sir. But thing is what, घर पे आया LG का AC, घर पे आया LG का AC, sir. तो can I say it is a breach of condition? But we are so desperate now कि AC तो होना ही होना है, AC तो होना ही होना है. Now can we ask for damages, sir? Maybe LG का price was थोड़ा lesser, so I am asking for that surplus amount. Maybe I am also saying that I waited for you for last 3-4 days. You said yes, that's the reason I did not inquire elsewhere. अब suddenly तुम ऐसा बोले तो elsewhere where I will get another 4-5 days will be wasted. Do you think, एक तो first thing is I am holding the LG ka AC, maybe I will ask that surplus amount of this LG plus I can ask for damages also. तो कहने से AC भी रख रहा हूँ और रुबाब भी दिखा रहा हूँ sir. Do you think that is possible? Do you think this is possible? See, everyone should answer, man. Do you think this is possible? Yes. तो इसका मतलब is this situation possible? Answer is yes. Answer is yes. Can I say you are अगर ऐसा करने पर what is happening, you know, buyer is sacrificing some of his rights, sacrificing not entire rights but some rights. ऐसा करने पर what will happen, sir? Return of goods will not happen. Agree? A return of goods will not happen. If at all I treat, now you have to write this total line. If you are treating breach of condition as breach of warranty, तो ऐसे situation में buyer has lost one of the biggest right. What is that, sir? Buyer has lost one of the biggest right. What is that, sir? No return of goods. Now he will have only right to claim what? Damages. He will have only right to claim what? Damages. क्या ये बात समझता आपको? Do you understand this point? बोलो रे बच्चा, बोलो. Sir, अभी next question which I would like to ask you is this. Sir, is this possible? Is this possible? क्या ये संभव है? Breach of warranty को now we want to treat as a breach of condition. Do you think this is possible? What max to max you can claim is damages, and now you are like, I don't want the goods only. Do you think this is possible? बोलो बच्चा. Imagine a scenario. You have purchased the vehicle, sir. कभी कभी बैटरी स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा है सर. No. Can I say you should be having a right to have quiet possession. Now what do you mean by quiet possession, sir? आराम से उसको यूज करना. So that is your right, we understand. That is your right, we understand, sir. Imagine, sir, कभी कभी battery is giving trouble, sir. So vehicle का battery is giving trouble. I hope people know that, girls, boys, कि vehicles में you use batteries also, sir. So battery is giving the trouble, sir. Self start करते हो, battery is giving the trouble, sir. So do you think you will ask for entire good only? Yeah? You will say like, नहीं नहीं नहीं, आपका good आप ले लो, हमारे को पैसा दे दो, sir. Do you think that is possible? Do you think that is possible? No. तो इसका मतलब smaller rights को you cannot convert into higher rights. Agree? Smaller rights को you cannot convert into higher rights. Do you agree with this point, sir? छोटे राइट्स को बड़ा राइट नहीं बना सकते आप. Here you were doing sacrifice. आप willfully you were leaving your right of returning the goods. So we are telling that you are treating breach of contract as warranty, but breach of warranty cannot be treated as breach of contract because your inferior rights cannot become superior. Your inferior rights cannot become what? Superior. I hope you understood this. समझ गया बच्चा? Boys, girls, is it over? Anything, any doubts, etc.? Okay. So all those stipulations, now I am discussing next concept. लिख भी दे रहा हूं मैं, so that there is no confusion. All those stipulations, all those stipulations, है ना, that is those are terms and conditions. Can I say some terms and conditions you may openly agree with each other? So these are some terms and conditions which are agreed between parties. So spoken words होंगे या in writing it will be, लिखित या मौखिक रूप में आपने अग्री किए होंगे सर, अग्री? सो इनको हम बोलते हैं सर एक्सप्रेस स्टिपुलेशंस. इनको हम बोलते हैं व्हाट सर? एक्सप्रेस स्टिपुलेशन, बिकॉज these are something which you have openly discussed with each other. Now these terms and stipulations, sir, some what do you say, terms and conditions are provided, are all के बदल I just write all निकाल देता हूँ. So stipulations which are agreed between the parties, sir, those are express stipulations, sir. Some stuff, what do you say, terms and conditions, sir, they are provided in the law, they are specified in the law. इनको हमने लॉ में प्रिस्क्राइब किया है सर, वी हैव स्पेसिफाइड इन द लॉ. So are they expressly discussed between the parties? No, they are not expressly discussed. हमने इसके ऊपर कोई बात नहीं किया है सर. Sir, these are called implied stipulations. These are called what, sir? Implied stipulation. And I already told you, sir, stipulation can be of two types. एक बोला आपको, it can be very very important है तो condition है, less important है तो warranty है. Similarly here also, very very important है तो this is condition, less important है तो this is warranty. So can I now say like this? Can I now say like this? There are express conditions, express warranty, implied conditions, implied warranty. Agree? Implied condition, implied warranty. बोलो बच्चा. You're not repeating, sir. Yes or no? Implied condition, implied warranty. अच्छा बोल दिए. Very good. Sir, tell me, sir. Today we have to read in a law, sir. अभी law पढ़ना है अपने को. So tell me, law में what we will study, sir? Those things which are express we will read now, or those things which are implied we will read now. What is that we are going to read in this chapter now? ये जो लॉ में अभी क्या पढ़ेंगे अपन एज ए स्टूडेंट नाउ, what is that we will be reading, sir? Implied conditions or express conditions? Can I say how will I come to know what is the agreement between both the parties, sir? Agreed or not? So as a student we are now going to read implied conditions, implied warranties. समझ में आया?